Welcome to February 6th LeetCode challenge. Shuffle the array. Given the array nums consisting of 2n elements in the form x sub 1, sub 2, x sub 3, all the way to x sub n, and you have y sub 1, y sub 2, all the way to y sub n, return the array in the form x1, y1, x2, y2, all the way to xn, yn. So we have the following nums array 2, 5, 1, 3, 4, 7, and we want to have n of equal to 3. So we want it consisting of 6 elements, right? So basically what we want to do is shuffle the array such that we have index 0 here is matched with index 4. Index 2, and x sub 2 here is equal to 5, y sub 5, and y2 is 4, and then x1, x3 is 1, and y3 is 7. So therefore we just kind of shuffle it that way. Similarly here, we want to do it consisting of 8 elements, and then 4 elements. So the constraints are that n is between 1 to 500. The length of nums is of 2 times n. Each index of nums is between 1 to 10 to 3. So let's go about solving this using similar. We could just solve this using simple iteration. Just iterate through the entire array, which is not the quickest way, but also not the worst way either. So say that we let's start with identifying that some patterns in the original way. So if we have element x sub I, therefore we need an x sub n element, xn element to exist in the indices between 1 and 0 to n minus 1. And also we need to find the y sub 1 to the yn indices as well. And that's going to be n to 2 times n minus 1. So the elements actually be placed in indices. Basically what we want to find is find the first half of the element and then make it so that it is every odd number in the index, and every y element will be every even odd number for x and every odd number for x and every even number for y. And just place it in the indices. So basically, and place them in the array. So first, let's build an array of results and make it the size of 2n. So what we do is make an array of integers called results, and we want it to be of size 2 times n. And then we do a iterate through the numbers array ranging from the indices 1 to n minus 1 for int I 0, I less than n, I plus. Update the results. First restore the array of the x sub I plus 1 element, that is the nums index I, at the index 2i. So in other words, index 2i will be nums at index I. So we store that element there. And next thing we want to do is store the y elements. So results, and we want to store it at an odd, even number. So that would be 2 star I plus 1. Yes, it would be an odd number because we're indexing 0, of course. And we want to store the y element, which is n plus I. we just return the results after the iteration. So one good thing about this is that we have n, which is where the halfway point is, but it's pretty easy to even get that number ourselves. There you go. Have yourself a nice day, everyone.